So while so many Jamaicans may not like the Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness, and some of them even have sent some very disrespectful words towards him and talk up some very insulting things about the Prime Minister, there are still a few or a lot who respect him for what he do in Jamaica, especially where it relates to this whole pandemic. Because a lot of Jamaicans say, yes, Mr. Andrew Holness, yes, Mr. Health Minister Christopher Tufton, who don't have this thing under control, and we respect you for that. Well, Mr. Vegas is one of the persons who assure the man some respect, especially for controlling the pandemic. Because Mr. Vegas is saying, here what, the United States can learn a few things from very little island, Jamaica. Because the way in which the United States is handling this whole pandemic, Vegas has said, no. Jamaica are deal with it better than Uno. So what we are going to do right now, we are going to jump in and we are going to take a listen to what Subi has said. But if this is your first time to Unstoppable TV and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. Make we go check out Subi.
Blessed love people don't know this is Subi. Now I would like to talk to the government of Jamaica. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, Minister Tufton, the people that are in charge of, the areas that is fighting the coronavirus. Big up on yourself. You people have done an illustrious job of fighting or containing this virus. See? Big up on yourself. I'm going to tell you why I want to talk about the Jamaican people or the Jamaican authorities when it comes on to the fight against the coronavirus, and why America needs to emulate what Jamaica is doing if they want to contain the virus in America and stop it from spreading. When I was about to take my trip to Jamaica, people were giving me all kind of feedbacks. Yo, the tests, when they put it in your nose, it hurts so bad, then push it at the back of your head, and I was like, yo, I can't go through that star. Nearly changed my flight. However, when I reached Jamaica, and the minister came on the plane and told us how to proceed, we went outside. People were in their gears, protective gears, and they were very professional. Very professional, where they told you where to stand. They called you when is your time, took your information, asked you some questions. Where have you been? Have you had fever within the past? Such and such. They test your temperature, all of these things. Everybody get them temperature checked. You see, on my trip to Jamaica, everybody that was on that flight got their temperature checked and a test done. Lily bit of Jamaica, a third world country, everyone got a test done and their temperature checked. You have to wait a little while, but of course we're dealing with a pandemic. It is expected. And when you finish doing all of that, when you go around to the baggage area, or when we went around to the baggage area, we had to fill out some information for them to contact us or for us to contact them just in case of anything. That is Jamaica. So I was placed in quarantine for 14 days, and I did my 14 days. I found some time and did some other things, and make the time speed up. No problem. Jamaica, no problem. Contrast to coming back. All that I went through to go to a third world country. A little third world country. When I was coming back today, when I reached the airport, no one was at the door to enter the airport. To go inside of the airport, not even one person there checking your temperature. Remember, You are about to take an international flight, and there was not one person to check your temperature if you're going to bring something back to America. Because remember, the virus is still in Jamaica. Is that the responsibility of the Jamaican government? I don't know. I just give you the contrast. I went to the ticket counter, nothing. Through security, nothing. Came on the flight, nothing. They didn't check even my temperature one time through the whole trip. I mean, I see nobody, I check nobody temperature to come to one of the most dominant country on the face of the earth, one of the biggest country on the face of the earth when it comes on to medicine and all of these things according to researches. Or according to research. Not even one test. Nobody no do. So everybody on the flight just have on their mask and we come back into the country. Why is this important? America, if y'all want to get rid of this virus, you have to start doing better. We should not have an international flight coming into America. And not even one person on a flight got their temperature checked. That is unacceptable. Anyone on the flight could have had the virus and could have spread the virus on the flight. Isn't that true? Not even one person's temperature was checked on the flight. But in my little country of Jamaica, you cannot go to buy a bag juice without getting a temperature check. The bag juice man them and the man them who sell banana chips have them temperature gun. Have them temperature, them thermometer. Take off your hat. Everywhere I did not go to one store in Jamaica. All the vendors them at Jamaica where I sell mango, I test people temperature. I have a thermometer, I test people temperature. And I traveled on a flight from Jamaica to one of the most powerful countries on the face of the earth. And don't get my temperature checked. And I came in such close proximity of people with a pandemic on the land. No, America. I am saying this because I would like my children to go back to school too, because I have children here. And the way how you people are behaving nonchalant with this situation, with this virus, you're going to have problems. And you may not take this information, or take kindly to this information, but it's the truth. You have to start doing better, America. Because guess what now? At this point, it seems as if you don't really care about the virus. And trust me, you're going to crash your economy. If you don't start behave yourself and start listen to other leaders around the world and follow protocols. You see? Or emulate what some people are doing. So you people that are saying you don't need to wear a mask and all of these things, I don't need to do no tests and all these things. You need to follow protocols if you want to get rid of the virus. This is Mr. Vegas. I just lay out with a little 2 cents. Big up Jamaica. If you love Jamaica, let me see you one. Pull up, the one you soon drop. Jamaica, big up on yourself. Yo, Mr. Tufton, big up yourself, Medan. You're going good with the fight against the virus. Prime Minister, boy, you have the one you're locking at the bag, my brother. Then can't take a victory from you. You're gone with it.
Vegas not stop drop new music, Yeah, me notice that with him. Him not stop drop new music. And he make sure I make you understand, say, yo, I am not a vlogger. And that's why he makes sure play that song then at the end. So you understand that he is still an artist. You understand? Now, a lot of other entertainers like Vegas, come out and address things, and people may think them a vlogger, but these are just public figures who like fit talk up against certain things when them see it. Alright, so Vegas, big up yourself. People won't know if say about what Vegas say pertaining to the virus and the United States and Jamaica in the way in which them a deal with it. Won't know if say about that. Talk to me down in the comment section. More want to hear phone views on that. Alright? Once your comment makes sense, then I definitely will respond. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. I'm Unstoppable, and I'm